What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. I am Christina Lynne, and on today's video we are going to do another house tour, so y'all come along for the ride. We are looking at a Perry home. This home actually sits right at 3,700 square feet. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with 1 half bath. It is a 2-car garage, and the price is right at $797,000 for this gorgeous 2-story home. So let's take a look. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. And if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you would consider doing so and join the family, because guess what, guys? We are going all the way up. Okay, so let's get into this home. Okay, this house does feature a welcoming front porch that leads to a grand 2-story entry frame by the home office that does include French doors. The family room does feature 19-foot ceilings, a fireplace, as well as 3 large windows that opens up to the dining area. The home does have an island kitchen with a built-in seating space, as well as a walk-in pantry. Secluded primary suite offers a wall of windows. Primary bathroom offers a double door entry, dual vanities, garden tub, separate glass enclosed shower, linen closet, 2 walk-in closets, as well as a private access to the utility room. Now that was a little bit confusing from this house. When we first walked in, you can actually access the you can actually access the primary bedroom from the front of the house as well as from the back of the home. So that's a very cool feature that it does have. It does have a guest suite that does feature a full bathroom, a linen closet, as well as a walk-in closet. The second level does host a large game room, adjacent media room, additional bedrooms, as well as a Hollywood bathroom. There is a half bathroom and mud room just off of the 2-car garage. There is also an extended covered backyard patio. I can't tell you enough about how nice this house is. So y'all, I'm not going to overtalk it. I'm just going to let you all enjoy the tour, and I will see you guys in a minute.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list.
brief intermission, really quick. This is what I was telling y'all about the area that leads from the front of the house to the owner's suite. You can actually access it from this direction, and right over there to the left leads out to the washroom and the front of the house. Really nice feature.
Chances are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. 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 Be one of the things I love. 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 Be one of the things I love.
Does include the end of our tour. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, I hope you would consider doing so. Click on that notification bell. That way you will be notified every time I drop a new video. But until next time, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.